2026 is coming.
Oh my God!
And if you show up the same habits, same excuses, nothing changes. But what if, in just 90 days, you could look at yourself and barely recognize what you see?
I will love it.
Not some dream, not some theory, real, unstoppable. Step 1. Transform your body. Your body is the first billboard of who you're becoming. You have to train it, fuel it, respect it, exercise daily, eat clean.
Dream big.
Before going to bed, look in the mirror and think, is that really me? Step 2. Upgrade your mind. Next is your mind, your mental domination. Don't just chase it, own it. Feed it with affirmations,
I am the best. I am the best. I am the best.
daily gratitude, and knowledge that hits like a hammer. Sit and meditate for at least 5 minutes. Step 3. Elevate your life. People around you, they either lift you or drag you down. Pick wisely. Set goals so big, they excite and scare you at the same time. Chase passions that burn you alive, not just keep you busy. Every moment counts. Every step builds the version of you that no one thought possible. Step 4. Prioritize self-reflection. Sometimes the scariest tool is a mirror. Sometimes the hardest thing to face is yourself. Strength doesn't come from winning. Struggles develop strength. When you face hardships and refuse to surrender, that's real power. In 90 days, you won't just look different, you feel different. The world notices before you even speak. 2026 doesn't wait. Life doesn't pause. People won't slow down for you. So, my question, will you step in the same safe version of yourself or become unrecognizable?